For a very unique and unusual look and feel to your rain stick, you can decorate it with sand. Yes, sand. What you want to do is completely cover your glue stick all the way around with craft glue. You want to put it on nice and thick and spread it so that it's a smooth surface and it covers every bit of your rain stick. Once you have that smoothed on to your rain stick so that you've covered every bit of it, you're going to take some sand, good old playground sand works just fine, and put it in a pile on a paper that's long enough for your rain stick, and simply roll your rain stick slowly in the sand. If you have completely covered your rain stick with glue and you have relatively fine sand, you will get every bit of that rain stick covered with sand. And then you have a very, very unique look to your rain stick. Now, another thing that you could do would be to use different colors of sand and spread them out across your paper towel, and then roll your rain stick slowly through the colors of sand, and then you would have, again, sand and the texture, but also the different colors. Once your glue and your sand is completely dry, you may want to coat it with maybe some hairspray or some spray-on lacquer to kind of help the sand stay on your rain stick. Then, of course, you could always take one of your bamboo skewers while your paint is still, while your glue is still wet, and you could even take some of it away and make designs in your sand. And you might want to plan that out ahead of time so you know what designs you want to make. But you could put a snake lying there in the sand, or you could put a lizard in it. And if you really wanted it to show, you could use colored glue when you first put your glue on, and then the color would shine through when you wipe the sand away. So that is a very unique and fun way to decorate your rain stick using good old craft glue and playground sand.